Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can upload Canva template to Etsy. So first step you need to do is to open Canva and you need to need to create any template. So click on Canva template and search for business. So it is up to you what template you want to do. So I want to create this one. Click on customize this template. So basically this is a postcard for a simple design and click here, click on download, and you need to complete the download process by clicking on this download button. Once you done that, you need to open Etsy and click on shop manager. So once you are here, click on get started. Okay, here you need to add your shop references, name your shop, stock your shop. So once you are on that step, stock your shop, click here, and here you need to add the product that is you want to add up to you. Add the thumbnail, add the description. Here you need to add the price, quantity, SKU, variations if you have. After adding all the details in the bottom, you simply need to click on save and continue. So this is the process that you need to follow to upload a Canva template to Etsy. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.